When we see the sun up in the sky, it doesn't look like it's moving. But after an entire day, we can tell that it's moved from the east to the west. The reality is, though, is that the sun is not actually moving. It's the Earth that's turning, and us turning with it. The Earth spins every 24 hours as it slowly orbits the sun every year. We can actually test the motion of the Earth and see how the sun moves through the sky. In order to do this experiment, you'll need a toilet plunger, some popsicle sticks, a Sharpie or pen or another marker, the sun, of course, so a nice sunny day, and some patience because this is going to take a couple of hours. Here's the materials that I used. I love using the multicolored popsicle sticks to add some fun, but you can also use sidewalk chalk instead of popsicle sticks. When you place the plunger, it has to stay exactly where it is all day. I placed mine at 11:24 a.m., and I marked my popsicle stick with the time and placed it right at the tip of the shadow. When I came back, just under 2 hours later, the shadow had moved, and so I put another popsicle stick with the time marked at the tip of the shadow. You can also make some predictions of where you think it's going to be. In 3 hours, I thought the shadow would be where I placed one of these other two popsicle sticks. Boy, was I wrong. 3 hours later, the shadow was much farther away than I expected, but I marked it with another popsicle stick. If you put all of the popsicle stick markers together, you end up building up a path that shows how the sun has moved across the sky, or rather, how it appears to move as the Earth turns. If you have more time, you can come out and make measurements every half an hour, and you'll build up a very accurate path of how the sun appears to move through the sky. Just make sure to wear sunscreen.